Let's get to the point. May 22 kinds of quality meat sa unlimited barbecue ni Bulgogi Brothers. And hindi ko makakalimutan yung corn iced tea nila and truffle-flavored meat nila na kasama sa 8 new flavors nila. Pwede palang gawing iced tea ang mais and it was delicious in a roasted tea kind of way. And bihira ko makita ang truffle sa mga unlimited barbecue places. And what I like about Bulgogi Brothers is mas aesthetic sila and mas kalmado ang ambiance compared sa iba. So good option siya for friends and family gatherings. And I found 2 other unique things about them and I tried their 8 new flavors. And let's be honest, I was invited by Bulgogi Brothers, which is a concept of the Bistro Group, to visit their branch in Shangri-La Plaza Mall in Mandaluyong to try their 8 new meat flavors. By the way, here is a list of their branches. And the 2 other things I found unique about Bulgogi Brothers were, number 1, meron pala silang 395 peso meal where you can choose 1 appetizer, 1 entree, and may kasama na rin siyang 1 iced tea and 1 rice. And may unlimited sides ka na. Number 2, walang time limit sa kanila for dining in, unlike sa iba na may maximum number of hours. May 2 price options yung unlimited meat nila, and both options come with unlimited sides, unlimited rice, and unlimited drinks. With the second option, you get a total of 22 kinds of premium unlimited meat. And sa 22 na ito, kasama na ang 8 new flavors. I'll focus this video sa 8 new flavors to save time. Pero nakavisit na ako sa Bulgogi Brothers Mall of Asia before and okay naman ang quality ng other meats nila and side dishes. Number 1, pork kimchi, delicious. Number 2, pork honey citron. I suggest they increase the honey kasi naging louder ang citron para mas balanced ang sweet and sour. Number 3, pork gochujang basil, delicious. Number 4, pork gochujang truffle, delicious. And ang okay dito, even after grilling, hindi nawala ang truffle flavor. Number 5, beef kimchi. I suggest they increase the kimchi pa kasi the spiciness here was too quiet. Number 6, beef honey citron. Sorry pero I found this salty. Pero I need to be fair, the first batch was okay. Yung nag-refill na, the second batch was a bit salty. Which ang okay sa team nila, after I mentioned it, they took note of it agad. Number 7, beef gochujang basil, delicious. And number 8, beef gochujang truffle, delicious also. The 395 peso meal, I hope to try next time. Overall, kung meron akong friends and family gathering, and I am looking for unlimited barbecue, I will recommend Bulgogi Brothers sa kanila para mas kalmado and beautiful ang ambiance. And pansin ko mas nagkakarinigan kami dito sa conversation. Click follow for the next story.